Google Finance is finally coming to your phone as a standalone app. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. The app currently offers real-time market data, a live financial news feed, and the platform's AI research tool, with more web features coming to the app in a few months. The web experience is also receiving some major upgrades. It now has a portfolio feature that consolidates all investments in a single dashboard with performance data and insights on asset allocation. Users can also whip up their own profiles by uploading CSVs or PDFs that detail holdings, or by describing assets to the chatbot. The built-in chatbot has access to these portfolios, so people can dive deeper by asking questions. This chatbot also has something of an agentic component now, as it can complete data retrieval tasks on demand. Google says this can be used to get timely updates on assets. The company describes tasks like creating a daily pre-market briefing, analyzing significant overnight moves across major cryptocurrencies. The new web experience has already rolled out along with the Android app, but the iOS users have to wait until later this year. This might be a great addition, but it's important to know the dangers of relying on AI when it comes to your money. Chatbots have been known to hallucinate. Even Google seems to understand this, as it tells users that AI can make mistakes, and to always independently verify financial data and consult with a licensed financial advisor or professional before making any investment decisions. It also says that any insights by the platform are for informational purposes only, and that data is synthesized from third-party sources. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.